Stupid fucking design. Won't go out easy. I need to bring this out first. It's supposed to be this one first. Stupid design. So after 43 minutes, finally I get it out. So dirty. That's why I have missed slaughter. Oh yeah, look at that. Not much, but I'm satisfied. So I figured out how I can have more space for this, because this one before I need to remove the battery case at the back. It's difficult because you need to remove the rear fender, so you can have I think like 3 inches, I mean centimeters, 4 centimeters, 1 2 3, yeah, 3 centimeters and half ish. So this one before, this one now, before, now, and easy to go out, easy to go in. Now I have a more space to put the slaughter inside. Peace, Yamaha. So everything back to place now, the fender, the parts, and we can see the slaughter body is there. Now we need to test it up. I tested a while ago, but now I want to test the acceleration because it's too loud. So let's see. I'm here away from the house. Let's see. Before it's choking in here, but now it's responding so good. Okay, so far so good. So if you have Yamaha MT-07 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, I don't know about 2020, to bring the slaughter body out, you see it's really difficult because it's too tight and this one is blocking. So first of all, I'm so sorry that I didn't document how I just work it out and bring it outside and do that. That was really I was struggling. So the easy way that you can bring the slaughter body outside, first of all, you need to remove all this, all right, that's for sure. Then you need to bring this piece of plastic outside, this one, so you can move the battery case to the back, so you can bring the air box to the back and bring this one outside. Is easy, because if you didn't remove the battery case to the back, the air box will struggle with you with the slaughter. So you see here I have some scratches, some damages, because I'm trying to, you know, struggle myself with my hand to bring it out, but it's difficult. So I find a way that easy way can do. So it's just like this: 1 2 3. To put it back again, 3 2 1. So this is the main. You need to move the battery case to the back, so you can have more space. Even if you remove the battery case at the back, the air box after the slaughter, the air box can come outside easier, and you can clean it up or you tune it or whatever you want to do it and put it back again. Then you put the slaughter back, then you bring the battery case to the front and tighten it up and bring everything back. So that's it, that's all you can do. By the way, other MT-07 they have ABS. Mine don't have ABS, so the ABS is here, you see that area. So might be you need to remove the ABS first. I have no idea how, but you can figure out. All right, thank you for watching. Peace, Yamaha.